Hello everybody. This is Tom Edison Peña, and thank you for watching my first unboxing video. Okay, Christmas came early this year, and I'm really quite excited because this is a walking stick that was given to me by a very good friend from Scotland, Mr. Nino Giamblanco, who is from the Sicilian knife fighting arts La Famiglia Giamblanco. 2 years ago, he sent me this fine anti impact and blade. Yeah, let's open this baby up. Okay, so here it is. It's actually a very nice walking stick. Not that heavy, but it has some to it. Okay, according to Mr. Nino, this is actually a dod wood or DOD, and it comes from the ironwood family. So I'm gonna come a little bit closer so that you'll be able to see. So he maintained, I think, the original bark for the handle and just remove all those nodes. And then he had this classic type of rope work. It actually adds character to the walking stick itself. And then if you notice, you've got some bubbles in there. And here is actually a medallion. I think this is a Padre Pio. He is an Italian friar and one of the saints that is venerated in the Catholic Church. Yeah, he is a mystic and one of those saints who had the stigmatism. Yeah, if I remember it right. Yeah, that's it. Now see, you notice now with the shaft now, there's some burnt part and you still have some of the nodes. It's actually good, okay, that Nino kept all those nodes because it adds character to the stick and it looks natural as well. And of course, he just put the tip, okay, to make it safe. But yeah, it's very nice. So, do you fancy having one of these functional walking sticks? Well, all you need to do is drop a message to Mr. Nino Giamblanco, okay, of the La Famiglia Giamblanco, Sicilian knife fighting arts. I'm going to put the link to his profile either in the video or in the comment box, so at least you can message him directly. He actually has made quite a few of these ones for friends, for students, and you won't be disappointed. Thank you very much, Mr. Nino, for the gift. I love it very much, and it goes well with the two other sticks that you sent me about 2 years ago. This will be well used. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.